Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to apply press-ons. This is the kit that comes with your order when you order with me. My Etsy will be linked down below, but these are all the supplies you're going to need. Now, whether you're looking for a long-term, long-lasting, or even short-term solution, these products and the methods that I'm going to be using today in this video are going to help. The most important thing is the prep. So that's going to determine how long your set actually lasts. Now, by pushing back the cuticle, this is going to instantly just make your nails look better, but it's also going to help make the tips look more natural, looking like you just came from the salon. And that's what we want. We want that salon feel from home. You can clean up the free edge as I'm doing here, but you don't have to. I'm only doing it because I'm trying to grow my nails out and I want them to look neat. Now, going in with the buffer, you want to remove any shine from the nail. This is going to help give the tips something to stick to. At this point, I'd highly recommend just washing your hands, but if you're in a rush, use the alcohol pad to remove any oils, dust, debris from the nail. This step is completely optional, but primer, definitely recommend using it if you have it. If not, it's not a big deal, but this will also help assist in the adhesive process. So I do make press-ons and I will be uploading a video on how I made these, so just stay tuned for that. When it comes to the sticker method, I personally love it because I am a person who doesn't like wearing nails for long periods of time, so for me it's a good short-term solution. And these stickers that come with the kit, they're pretty sturdy. They're also waterproof, so you don't have to worry about like washing your hands or anything like that. I highly recommend using the sticker method if you're going out with your girls or if you're going out on a date. It's definitely good for those occasions, but if you know you're going to be doing like extensive work with your hands, I would just use the glue. Now, when it comes to the glue, you want to be mindful about the amount that you're placing. So for the thumb, I added a little bit more than what I would normally do for the rest of my fingers, just because the thumb is a lot wider. But to avoid flooding the cuticle, I would highly recommend just doing one drop on your natural nail and one drop on the tip. You're going to see in the next clip that I did flood my cuticle here, and I didn't edit it out because I wanted to show you that it happens. So if it does happen, like as you saw, it was kind of runny. This glue is runny, so with that you could just use like alcohol or the alcohol wipe and just wipe it away, or you could use like acetone and wipe it away. Honestly, the acetone works better, so I would just recommend using that. You want to make sure that you wipe away the glue though, because what's going to happen is over time the glue is going to get crusty and white, and it's not going to make the nails look natural. They're just going to look really dry. Once you get the glue ratio down, the next thing you want to do is align the nail to your nail. So I have a crooked middle finger and I have to align the tip. I have to align the tip a certain way so that it looks straight. So just make sure that the nails look straight, and then you want to hold the nail there, or the tip. I keep saying nail. You want to hold the tip there for at least 7 seconds so that it gives the glue enough time to dry. Now, this method will last you about 1 to 2 weeks with proper care and proper prep. The last step is adding cuticle oil. This is going to help hydrate your nails, but also give it that salon quality. 2 tips: try to avoid soaking your nails for long periods of time because that's going to cause the nails to loosen and then pop off. Also, try to let them fall off naturally. Do never ever try to pry them off of your nails, because that's only going to damage your nail beds. And there you have it. You've successfully applied press-ons. I'm really hoping that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, give it a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you again. Bye guys.